I just invested $35,000 into ApeCoin. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that KuCoin link if you're interested in purchasing some ApeCoin. They have some of the lowest fees out there. And now let's jump straight into the video. But before we start, I want to make one thing clear. I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing personally, what I'm investing into. Make sure to do your own research before you invest in any project. And most importantly, do what is right for your portfolio. And only invest the money that you are willing to lose. The $35,000 that I invested into ApeCoin, if that goes to zero, I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be a little bit sad, but financially, I'll be all right. So I'm definitely willing to take the risk in order to make some good profits. And now let's talk about the reasons why I aped into ApeCoin. First off, I was going to purchase ApeCoin on day one when the price was around $7 to $8. But I procrastinated, I went shopping, and then I missed out on the opportunity. Then the next day I woke up and the price went up even higher. It was at around $15. And I was like, man, if I only invested my $35 at around $7, $8, I could have made almost $40,000 in profit. And then all day I looked at it, waiting for it to drop down to $7, $8 so I can purchase in, and it never did. And then this morning when I woke up, first thing I see is a bunch of people messaging me, telling me, yo, check out the Metaverse trailer. It looks absolutely awesome. So I jumped out of bed, saw the trailer, and I was like, yo, I'm definitely impressed. The graphics looks amazing. Plus, they have a ton of other NFT projects in the game as well. So in my opinion, ApeCoin is definitely going to be used in this Metaverse game. So I definitely want to stack up on ApeCoin. But when I woke up, the price was at around $13, $15, $14. And then the whole day I kept watching it. It didn't want to drop down at all. So after a bunch of debating, I decided to jump into ApeCoin, and I ended up investing $35,000 at $13.70. I got just over 2,500 ApeCoin. I know paying $13.70 per ApeCoin is definitely expensive, but I don't have a time machine to go back in time 2 days and purchase it at around $7. So without trying to debate it longer, without trying to procrastinate even more, I decided to ape into ApeCoin. I know, guys, this is super risky, but personally, I'm willing to take the risk in order to make some massive profits. And I think ApeCoin can definitely deliver. Also, they have a ton of stuff planned. This Metaverse game, I think, is going to be absolutely amazing. The DAO, when it's released, that's going to be great as well. And I believe the team behind ApeCoin, they can definitely push the price up even higher. And I can see ApeCoin being in the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. And if that happens, I believe my $35,000 investment will be worth a nice chunk of change. And hopefully I can take some of the profits that I'll make with ApeCoin and then use them to buy an actual Bored Ape NFT. That is the goal. That is the plan. We will see if it works out. But hopefully ApeCoin continues to rise, and hopefully they release a lot more positive news, and most importantly, more utility to ApeCoin. I believe ApeCoin is going to be used in this Metaverse game. So hopefully people start accumulating so they can make even more profits playing this awesome game. I will have a link in the description box below of the actual trailer that they released. The Metaverse looks absolutely insane. The graphics are super clean, and I think it is going to be a huge success. And now let's talk about strategy. What will I do with my ApeCoin? As of right now, my plan is to pretty much get out my initial investment. So hopefully ApeCoin spikes up to $20, $30. Then I will sell half and take out my initial investment. And then the rest I will simply leave in my KuCoin account, and then I will wait for staking to be released. I will wait for the DAO and the Metaverse game, and hopefully a ton of other awesome stuff that they have planned. and hopefully in that time my position will grow even higher in value. That is my strategy right now, but who knows what it will be a week from now or a month from now. Strategies change, and depending on how ApeCoin performs, depending on the market overall, my strategy might change. I might sell too early. I might decide to take profits a little bit before. The price might go down to $8 and then I might be in the negative. It all depends on the market and how high the price of ApeCoin go. My strategy right now is to simply wait for those profits and get out my initial investment. But who knows what it will be a week from now or a month from now. So please follow your investment and decide accordingly. One other thing that I would like to mention, ApeCoin has brought life back into crypto and especially into the NFT space. Right now, NFTs are definitely rising in value. A lot of the blue chip NFTs have gone up 10, 20, 30% over the last couple of days. And in my opinion, a lot of that credit has to go to ApeCoin. Also, a lot of people are selling their other positions just to get some ApeCoin, simply because this could be the next Shiba, this could be the next Dogecoin where we see massive returns. And the team behind it, I think they can definitely deliver. So I feel comfortable holding my ApeCoin and waiting for those massive gains. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Make sure to do your own research. I am FOMOing in. I gotta say I did my research, but I am feeling the FOMO and I am afraid of missing out. So I ended up jumping in. Do your own research and do what is best for your portfolio. And as always, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.